In my 10-day observation, I learned lot of things like new plants, lot of animals like grasshopper, snake plants. There are lot of things in nature to learn. I love this project. I I love nature lot of. I always be with nature. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Paunya Chanadani Veeravansha. I am in grade 3 Samadhi. Today I am going to talk about my science project. First day I saw oranges, it is green color. Next day I saw a small eggs under the soil, it is yellow. Next day I saw a long worm, it is pink. Another day I saw a hive flower and orchid flower. The hive flower is red, the orchid flower is white. In my 10-day observation, I saw many things about garden and nature. I saw around home living things, non-living things uh, like insects. Also, I saw and uh, I happy about this project because I learn more things and I love this project.